Today we are previewing the magnificent book of Prehistoric Beasts. This is an oversized coffee table size large book that's perfect for a gift for kids that love animals, ancient creatures, dinosaurs, to get them interested in animals and science. You'll learn so much on every page. The Magnificent Book of Prehistoric Beasts. Click the link below the video to buy the book. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more traditional read-along videos, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free learning principles you can use today to get outside and get learning. Androsarchus, Megalodon, Mammuthus primigenius, Arthropleura. Every page has fun facts. Arctodus, Bos primigenius, Archelon, Hatagopteryx, Diplocolus, Diprotodon, Dodecurus, Ambulocetus, Entelodon, Hallucigenia, Euhippus, Pantheraleospelea, Trilobite, Gigantopithecus, Paraceratherium, Pterygotus, Megalania, Liopleurodon, Megaloceros, Camaraceros, Megatherium, Smilodon, Dunkleosteus, Brontiothere, Thylacoleo, Tiktaalik, Titanoboa, Gastornis, Hesperornis, Ceolodonta, Anomalocaris, Harpagornis, and a map of the prehistoric animal world and where all the animals live. Click the link below the video to buy this book, or go back through and talk about what each animal reminds you of, from prehistoric animals to modern animals, and talk about how they've evolved over time. If you buy this book, it'll explain why animals were so much bigger then and what happened to them. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free principles that you can use today for free, fun learning. Thank you for reading with me.